Greetings, members, one and all of the Salivation Nation, with another unboxing, gold unboxing from Liberty Coins. And they typically have some pretty good deals. And this is a purchase that I made to build up on another purchase that is coming. That certainly is something I've been wanting for quite a while. But I'll explain as we open this box up. Yes, indeed. All right. Take a look inside of here. Merchandise enclosed. Very, very good. This is a Perth Mint product. Happy to have accumulated it. Typically with the Perth Mint, you can rest assured that you're going to get good quality. If we can get inside of it here. There we go. There it is. All right. This is the 2021 Kangaroo. Very, very good indeed. And, you know, there's not a lot of these that I like, the designs. But this is one that I think was fairly nice, so I thought I would pick this up. The 2021 49s fine gold, and this is for a sitting kangaroo. This is a pretty cool design. Then we have the Queen on the obverse of the piece. $100 as a denomination. Elizabeth II, Australia being the nation of issue, of course. And indeed, yes, reeded edge there, beautiful, high quality. Which is typical of the Perth Mint. Very, very well done, and nice composition there. The only one of the one I regret not getting, I may look around for one, is a 2017 Kangaroo. That is probably my second favorite design. It says the Kangaroo hopping, but my favorite of all time is the 2015 Kangaroo. I think that is just a spectacular coin indeed. So, but nonetheless, I thought the 2021 was a nice, has a nice look to it for a sitting kangaroo. I like how the tail kind of wraps around there, along with the curve of the rim there. Very cool indeed. Australian Kangaroo, beautifully done. So that is another ounce added to the stack, and I basically purchased this because it was a pretty good deal going on, and over there on for Liberty Coin on eBay, and which is bought from them many times, and it's one of the rare cases where you can find a good deal using credit card and the credit card points, and this will add to my points, which will go towards yet another purchase that I'll talk about here soon. And so that is kind of the reason for this purchase, is to kind of piggyback towards another purchase, because the price for this with a credit card was not a whole lot more than the cash price of other sites out there, other bullion dealer sites out there. They typically have pretty good deals. And if you can get the points for it, and those points exceed the potential savings that you would normally get using cash, or check, then why not take advantage of it and utilize it? So that was my motivation in getting this coin, and but nonetheless, seeing it, and I've seen it on other channels here in the community too, has really kind of encouraged me to kind of look around for that 2017 gold kangaroo. If I can find one of those at a decent price, I may pick one of those up too. You know, I mean, I buy gold for the, obviously for the wealth preservation aspect, but I also buy it for the design and the beauty of the metal and the craftsmanship. And even though this is considered probably better bullion, the Perth Mint is hands down one of the best in minting gold coins. And the quality is exceptional, and the Kangaroo series I think is a nice series, and but there's only a few of them that I really like, and this is just good enough that it was worth buying. And the 2017 design is very nice too. Just don't have that one. And so that is going to be very nice to pick up. So sometimes you can utilize your purchases to go towards, to help you spring into another purchase, especially if there's a premium tied to it that you would not normally be comfortable doing and utilizing. And that is the case with this next purchase that I have made. This went towards that, so that will help. There's different ways and different strategies that folks have in order to take advantage of reward programs and the like. eBay Bucks is another one that people use a lot. Sadly, I was not able to take advantage of that with this because it's considered bullion. And by the way, so was the other purchase was considered that, which is very strange that the other one would be considered, because it was not. There's a lot of numismatic value to it. So it is interesting and fascinating. But gold is one of those metals that typically the premiums you pay for them are small enough that compared to silver collector coins with very, very high premiums as a percentage. And that's another reason that attracted me more towards gold, especially when you can save on taxation after spending a certain amount. The problem with it is that with any gold coin nowadays especially, but even when it was $1,300-$1,400 an ounce, it's not easy to save up that amount of money for any amount of time to be able to do it. Especially when there's so many cool designs as a collector that you can get in silver. And so you really have to kind of discipline yourself and kind of look at the bigger picture here. For me as a collector, that's kind of what the motivation was in accumulating more gold than silver, is that I can still get coins that I find attractive, but they don't take up quite as much space in storage. And even though I've got multiple places to store, still, it can be a problem, and especially when you're storing it at a trusted individual's place, you're utilizing their space, so you have to take that into account too. But even if it's your own space, you have to think about ways to minimize that as much as possible, and that's where this comes in. And so that's another reason why I focus more on gold. And it is a beautiful metal, there's no question about it. But again, this purchase here is going towards a larger purchase based off of the credit card rewards. I'll talk about that in a future video. But my overall goal is in place for this year to focus hard on gold as much as possible, even with these prices where they're at. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. We'd like to extend a multitude of gratitude to you all for taking the time to watch, and encourage you to please rate, share, comment, and subscribe.